This is your test for counting. So today we're going to be working on counting. I need you to write your name up here at the top and also write the date, which is on the board for you. Just copy down the date for today. For your first section, it says fill in the missing numbers. Each of these is a different line. So let's go line by line. I have 6, 7, write what comes next. 9, 10, write what comes after 10. 12. Okay, now let's go to the second line. This is something new. This is a new counting sequence. So we start at 24, 25, write what comes next. 27, write what comes next. 29, 30, and write what comes next. Okay, this is our last one down here for counting and filling in the numbers. We're starting at 103. Write what comes next. 105, 106. Write what comes next. 108. All right, let's go to the next section. This one says count how many objects. You're going to count how many hearts are shown here and write it in this space over here. For the next section, it says fill in the missing number. We're starting at 384. Write what comes next. 386. Write what comes next. Write what comes next after that number. And we end on 389. Then we're going to start a new sequence. This one is 640. 650. Write what's missing. 670. Write what's missing. 690. Write what's missing. And then at the bottom it says, see your teacher. You are not going to mark anything down here. When you're done, your teacher will call you over and you're going to count for her. That's it.